The National Weather Service in Lubbock, Texas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Floyd County in northwestern Texas, Childress County in the Panhandle of Texas, Cottle County in northwestern Texas, Motley County in northwestern Texas, Hall County in the Panhandle of Texas, Southeastern Briscoe County in the Panhandle of Texas, until 10:45 p.m. At 9:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles northeast of Memphis to 9 miles northwest of Northfield to 11 miles southeast of South Plains, moving east at 45 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, West Texas Mesonet. At 9:28 p.m., the Mesonet near Leslie recorded sustained winds of 61 miles per hour with gusts to 73 miles per hour. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Childress, Memphis, Paducah, Matador, Turkey, CV, South Plains, Kirkland, Swearingen, Flamot, Valley Schools, Tell, Northfield, Estellan, Lakeview and Plaska Community. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. These are potentially deadly storms. Seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Abandon vehicles in search of a more substantial permanent structure. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is a